So I came in here the other day and scratched out all of the, this is where I had my corn at one time, and then peas most recently, had it full of peas. And I pulled them all out. I know you're gonna say I should have tilled them all in, but they had a weed on them, a vine. I'm trying to see if I can find some of it. Yeah, there it is. I don't know what it is, but I am cursed with it. It makes almost like cotton. It's a long vine. It'll get 6, 8, 10 feet long. And then makes a flower, kind of a purplish flower. Now, we had a frost and the frost already got it. So instead of tilling the peas in, which I would have done if it were just peas. But since there were so many weeds in it, I was waiting for people to pick. My wife said she was done. I was waiting for my brother-in-law, let him grow, left him alone. He never came, so they got overrun by that vine, whatever it is. So I came in here with the grapple. You can see the lines, and that's another thing the grapple is good for. I came in here with the grapple and just scratched out all that trash. I mean, I probably got 95% of it out. Piled it up over here and then scooped it up and put it in a burn pile. And I hated to do that, but again, it's I know how good residue is, like peas would be for this soil, so I really hate to do that, but I just can't afford having any more of those seeds, those vine seeds, whatever it is. I can't afford having any more of those in this than what I already have. So come in here and scraped it real good twice with the grapple and cleaned it up good. Now I'm thinking about planting something for the fall. Of course, it's late. I mean, this is middle of November. What could I plant here? I feel like I could do cabbage. I feel like I could do well, shoot, it's time to plant onions. Just about. People around here plant onions in December, so I probably will do that. Probably put a couple of rows of onions across here. If I can find some, sets. They're not easy to find this year, but if you can find them, that's the time that these big onion growers around here love to plant. So onions, cabbage maybe. I don't know that the brassicas would be up and would germinate or would come up and be viable before the first hard freeze. Now, we don't have too many. As long as it's not like last year, we don't have that many hard freezes. But what else could I plant? I'm not a big cabbage lover. I do eat it if it's prepared correctly. Love onions, but I bet you I've got 50 onions from this year, from this summer, when I pulled. But what else is good? And I'll probably poo-poo it because I'm not gonna like it probably. I'm more of a meat taters guy than I am a big vegetable guy. Especially brassicas, green type vegetables, but I don't think spinach and things like that will grow, would even germinate this time of year. So anyway, let me know what you think might germinate, and I'm gonna put in at least a couple of rows of onions as soon as I can find some sets. And what else have you got on your mind? What else could I put right here in this little old garden spot? I will come in here probably with my torch and probably burn everything, just walk over it and try to burn everything, and in doing so, any of those little old hairy seeds I showed you will hopefully burn up and not be viable seeds for next year. And then I'll probably till it in. I know some of you don't like for me to till, but I'll probably till it in. I really need to go this way anyway with my rows. But what else can I do? Onions. I think cabbage would germinate and do well right now, but I may be wrong. I may be way late on cabbage. What do you think? What can I do? Let me know in the comment section below. What do you got in the ground this year? What do you got in the ground right now? What are you fixing to plant? Is there something that I'm overlooking that is plantable this year? What about carrots? I've only grown carrots 2 or 3 times, so I'm not real familiar with carrots. Can I put in a row or 2 of carrots in the middle of November in zone 8? Let me know. Let me know what else you got. Let me know what else I can do. All right, we're gone.